All right, YouTube. So number one, I'm going to show you how I did this flawless install. Number two, we're going to talk about how to level up and turn up this summer. So stay tuned for both. Hey you guys, it's your girl 𝐒𝐨𝐲, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, RPGHair. All right, they are not new to my channel at all. They sent me this 13x6 already customized straight lace front unit. Now, when I say already customized, y'all, they did their thing on this wig. Like, I didn't have to do nothing to it. Like, when I say nothing, I mean nothing. And y'all know, even when I get a pre-customized wig, I normally always have to at least bleach the knots. But with this wig from RPGHair, I didn't have to do anything. Like, I'm just so shocked at how much of a good job they did. And we're gonna see how it's gonna look on our model today. So yes, you guys, if you are used to doing your own wigs at home, then this is probably the easiest, most prepared wig you will ever buy. So kudos to RPG. All right, so for this style today, we're already using the middle part that came with the wig, so we don't have to, adjust it too much. But instead of doing a bone straight, like bust down middle part, we're actually doing pigtails at the top. So this hairstyle is gonna be simple, but still cute.
Y'all did y'all thing, y'all did y'all thing, y'all did y'all thing, y'all did y'all thing, y'all did y'all thing. Get out! Let me see. Get the fuck out. I handpicked y'all. This wig is amazing, period. I love Get your scalp done, girl. It's giving scalp. Get that motherfucking scalp done. Give the scalp, bitch. Is it a
Yes, these two are crazy, and I'm crazy myself, so I can't even talk. So while I do this install, let's go ahead and get into this shop talk. So y'all already know this is shop talk. Whatever happens in the shop stays in the shop. All right, so in this video, we are talking about turning up and leveling up for this upcoming summer. Now, the summer is right around the corner, and y'all, we have some work to do. So listen up, take out your notepads and your pencils, okay? Number one, let's take into consideration that we are already in March. Like, that's crazy. It was just January 1st. We were just making our New Year's resolutions. So we have to remember that time is always flying, all right? And one thing that helped me manage my time is creating 2-week goals rather than super long-term goals. All right, so me, my boyfriend, and my cousin, and my other friend, it's a group of 4, okay? We basically created an accountability group where we meet up every 2 weeks and we talk about our goals, what we accomplished for the past 2 weeks, and what we need to accomplish for the next 2 weeks. And when I tell y'all, this has completely helped me manage my time so much better, because when you have a little bit of pressure on you and you have to look at your list every 2 weeks, seeing that, okay, I didn't get this done, it kind of, puts some pressure on you and gives you a little bit more discipline and really lets you see that time is not stopping for nobody. And what I learned is it's really the accumulation of small goals that add up to make big goals and big achievements. So instead of me saying, okay, by the end of the year, I need this, and this done, it's like I'm giving myself micro details and step-by-step instructions on how I'm gonna reach each step every 2 weeks. And I know I am not the only one that gets easily overwhelmed and that gets anxiety like super easy. Like the moment I feel like I have too much on my plate, I just shut down. So another thing that, making the 2-week list do for me is it kind of brings everything to perspective, and it's smaller goals, so where I don't feel overwhelmed, and I make sure I don't put no more than maybe like 8 to 10 things on my list. All right, so now that we discussed our every 2-week goals, now we're going to talk about the quarters, okay? Now, even though, I'm not a huge fan of planning long-term, like super long-term, because it really overwhelms me, we still kind of have to do it because we have to know exactly where we're going in the first place. If we don't have long-term goals, then we're just going to be doing whatever every single day. We're just going to be living and going nowhere fast. All right, so that brings us into number 2, which is make quarterly goals, okay? There are 12 months in a year, and every 3 months marks a quarter. So the first quarter ends in March. That spans from January, February to March. All right, so the second quarter ends in June, the third quarter ends in September, and the fourth quarter ends in December. So if we can have quarterly goals, then we'll know exactly where we're headed. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into number 3, how we're going to level up and turn up for this summer. Now, y'all listen, we have to nurture our mind, body, and soul. So eating right is essential. And listen, we don't prepare for our summer bodies a week ahead, 2 weeks ahead, even a month ahead. We all know that is like a 3-4 month process. So if you haven't already been working on your bad bitch body for the summer, I suggest you start now. And if y'all are trying to lose weight or maintain your weight or just be healthier, I have a whole food page that can give you ideas on foods and restaurants. But basically, the key to losing and or maintaining a healthy weight is number 1, not consuming sugar. Okay, sugar is the devil. Number 2, breads and pasta. Those make you like blow up and they affect my skin. Number 3 is dairy. Oh my gosh. Like, first of all, dairy makes me bloated, gives me gas, and gives me acne. So sugar, bread, and dairy, All right, last but not least, how we're going to turn up this summer is, listen, we're going to focus on ourselves, focus on our businesses, and learn as much as possible. If you want to start a course, if you want to open a salon, if you want to, provide a new service, get as much experience and information on that topic as much as possible. Now, with me, I have a guilty pleasure of watching YouTube recreationally and just watching whatever, but I really have to be like, okay, 𝐒𝐸𝐿? No. We're going to learn about credit. We're going to learn about Facebook and Google ads. We're going to learn about the things that I need to expand and grow my business. So at least take an hour out of the day to learn and soak up all the information you need to start that business, start that course, launch those products, or whatever it is. And let's all remember that the more assets we create, the more potential avenues of passive income that we create for ourselves. So active income is income that we can only achieve when we're doing work. Passive income is the type that pays us overnight in our sleep. And like my graphic designer Jay tells me, you have to build the house for people to be able to walk in. Oh yeah, and last but not least, get your wig from RPGHair so you can be slaying all summer, okay? So this is the final result. Once again, thank you so much, RPGHair, for sponsoring this video with this straight 13x6 pre-customized wig. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, what are you doing? Make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications, and I'll see y'all next time.